How many teeth do you have?
Lots.
A lot changes in a year. Imagine, though, if you could press pause right now. Imagine being able to relive those moments over and over and over again. What would that mean to you? What would that mean to them? What are the things you want to remember? And what do you want them to remember about you? Is it the way you held them? The way you tickled them? Or the things you taught them about life? Whatever it is, let's bottle it up. For you and for them. Because they're only ever going to be this little once. This is what a family film looks like. It's about preserving your memories for them. Book yours today.